Hello and welcome to another update video about SUI. I hope you all have or had a great day. We are here on the daily time frame on the SUI chart, and the situation is very interesting. Prices at 360 roughly at the moment, one of the better performing charts today. What I want to show you on the larger time frame though here on the daily chart is that the price held exactly where I communicated it would ideally hold in a pullback. Now we're not out of the woods yet. The price is not yet in wave 5 territory. We have not yet broken out to the upside, but for now we have a first really solid reaction to this support area between 199 and 335, which is our main support area for this bullish cycle. And it will be adjusted, if the price pushes any higher. But for now, I mean, this is and was the support area for this wave 4. So it held where it needed to hold, and it is possible wave 5 has started. We need to see a little bit more evidence for that on the smaller time frame. But important is this is one of the still more healthy looking charts. Okay, now best time to buy was of course in the support area, as always, right? But for now, there will always be setups on a smaller time frame. The situation from the Monday low, generally across the sector, is a little bit uncertain at this stage. It's not yet very clear if we have actually started the next move up. I mean, I'm leaning, because we are still in a bullish cycle, I'm still leaning for higher prices. So it is possible SUI will follow through and will form that fifth wave to the upside next. It would take a bit more evidence on the smaller time frame. But before we go to the smaller time frame, what would be, let's talk about what would be the next upside targets. We have $6.90, we have $8.50 and $11.50 as the next, let's say, as the next targets. 11.50 is a bit of a stretch for wave 5, and I am leaning towards the yellow scenario. I wouldn't rely on the white count, which allows for another 4-5 pattern afterwards. So I am watching. Actually, I think I need to change the wave degree of the white count. So I'll change that later. But yeah, that is the idea, that we are in a bullish structure still with at least one more high, which should probably reach around 8.50. So that's what I'm tracking. Okay, so let's take a look at the smaller time frames. Before we do that, quick announcement. You might have seen it already. We are launching a new channel, which is going to be our new main channel. It's not going to replace any other channel, but it's going to be the new main channel, which is basically the overall brand MCO Global. Here you will find videos with camera, higher quality videos, researched stuff, interviews, podcast style videos, maybe trading tips, tutorials, fundamental analysis of stocks, cryptos, other asset classes. So it will be something completely different. Check it out if you're interested. This is going to be our main channel going forward, which sort of connects all the other ones. Now let's take a look at the smaller time frame. And so, by the way, that channel's link is in the description. So what I said to you, I think yesterday, is that ideally we would find another high. I mean, this has performed really well, but I mean, is this 5-wave move? Is this a 5-wave move? Yes, it is, and it's a bit short for a 5th wave, but it would be valid. So it's not beautiful, right? But that seems to be a common theme everywhere. We seem to be in a I don't know, clear 5-wave desert up here. There's just no clear 5 waves here anywhere, across the sector. So they are rare, at least. This is a potential 5-wave move now. So that means we can add a support area for this wave 2. This doesn't mean that the wave 2 has started, but as always, for a first indication that a low has formed, we need to see 5 waves up. Okay. This is a potential 5-wave move up. So that means I'm going to add support for a wave 2. It would have been better. Had there been a move above the green line and in the blue target area. So I can't confirm yet, that this wave 2 has started. It is possible wave 1 is still unfolding for one more high. it is a 5-wave move now, okay? All I'm saying is it could form one more high, but 430, round about 430 area should be strong resistance. But either way, as long as it's now holding above 266, it is possible and actually a plausible interpretation that the low is in. So I'm going to tentatively lean towards the idea that the price is bottomed. The 5-wave move is there. I can tell you only it's not the cleanest one. It's a microstructure. It might very well be we form another low. The larger support area still ranges down to $1.99. Technically speaking, I mean, this might be an ABC structure. Yeah. Bear in mind that when I label this now, this is just labeling of a corrective structure. It might be that the C wave comes down next, but we have no evidence yet that the C wave has started and B waves can overshoot. So we're now sort of in this messy corrective range with support at 266, and ideally the price does form a 3-wave pullback going so like this, like it's labeled, and holds above 266. 289, $3.06 and $3.24 are additional support levels. That's the update about SUI. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.